Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, I am going to install PyCharm Community Edition, which is the IDE Integrated Development Environment on my Ubuntu desktop operating system. So you can actually use this URL to download the PyCharm binary file, or you can just go to the Google and type PyCharm download and open this link. So if you look at PyCharm, they provide professional edition as well as the community edition. Professional edition is the commercial version. You need to pay and get it, or you can try 30-day trial. So I'm going to make use of community edition. So I just say accept all and click on this download. It's going to download my binary file, which is of around uh, 561 MB. So again, based on your internet speed, it will take a couple of seconds or minute. So another 3 seconds it will be downloaded. Okay, my uh, PyCharm community edition binary file is downloaded. I'll just go to the home directory and downloads and cut this. I'm going to place all my softwares in my home directory. I have a work area, then software. I'll just place it here. All right. So then I will extract it. So what I'm going to do is just open a terminal from here, or you can just open a terminal and go to this location, which is whichever easy you can do that. So I'm going to just do ls, and then this is the file we need to extract, right? So I'll just say tar hyphen xvzf. Okay, so I'll place, get this, I'll copy this and put it here as well, so that you can refer in the future. The file which I'm going to extract is this file. I will also place it here. This is a file we downloaded, and I'll put it here. Okay, so it will be extracted shortly. So it is extracting the PyCharm Community Edition IDE. It is done. Okay, let's clear the screen and do ls. So this is the folder, right? Sorry, this is the folder. Let's go to cd PyCharm and then do navigate to this PyCharm community hyphen 2023.2.3, and you see this, right? So what you need to do is just say go to bin folder and do ls. So we are going to open this sh file. So /pycharm.sh. So it is going to launch the IDE. So this is developed by JetBrains company. So it's been community edition terms and condition. Just read this um, terms and condition and say I confirm that I have read and accept the terms of user agreement and continue. So I'll just say don't send. So this is what the PyCharm IDs, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple of steps. One is just going to change this color theme so that you can just customize. So it's in dark mode. I'm just going to keep IntelliJ light, right? So I'll just keep this or it's fine, IntelliJ light. And then what I'm also going to do is go to this. Okay, so I change the color theme, I change it. Then you see here there is a star icon. Just click on this option, and there is this option called create desktop entry. So every time I don't want to go to the bin folder and launch this pycharm.sh, so instead of that I'll just create a uh, desktop entry. So it's going to ask you create this terminal for all users. So if you click this, it's going to ask you the privilege password for your user. So I'll provide password for my user DataMaking. So done, it's created. Okay, so I'll just close this. Okay, now I'll go to here and type PyCharm. So it has come. I'll just add it to favorites. Okay, this is good. So now we can close this terminal. Okay, just go to here, launches, right? So this has come. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a, so PyCharm IDE is used to build the Python application, being a web application or uh, thin client applications you can build using the PyCharm, right? So then let me create a simple project, Python project. Just click on new project. So you're going to use Python interpreter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the default the Anaconda Python uh, version, right? So if you want to know how to install the Anaconda Python, please follow my previous video where I explained you how to install Anaconda Python on Ubuntu operating system. So I'll just, so it will so for that what I'll do is I'll just say I'll use the previously configured interpreter. Go here, I'll go to the system interpreter, then go here and go to home directory, and you see Anaconda 3 here. Go to bin folder and you will see Python. Where is Python? Py. Okay, you need to drag a bit. Okay, I'm here. Python 3.11. This is the interpreter, right? Which is a Python interpreter or runtime. So you click this. So what is the location? In my home directory, my user is DataMaking. So /home/ DataMaking in Anaconda 3 in bin folder. You see this. Just okay, say okay, and it will create a project called Python project. I'll change this into Python demo project. Python demo project, demo underscore project. So it is by default create a main dot welcome script. Okay, I'll keep as it is so that you will see what it is doing. Okay, so what you need to do is you can actually change the interpreter later as well. So but I'm just taking the default Anaconda installation, then create. So it is created the Python project with a file called main.py. So this main.py has a simple print hi method. So it has been called here the print hi method and pass the simple string PyCharm. So it's indexing the files. So first time we created the project, right? So for setup it will take some time. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Until this gets set up, I'll just pass on the video. The index has been done. I'm resuming the video. So if you look at here, all is set. So I'm going to run this main.py function. Sorry, the Python file. So you can use Alt F and go to the run menu and then say run main. So it says hello PyCharm. So whatever string it passed to the print hi, it just appended with the hi. So it says hi PyCharm, right? So this is how you need to create a Python project and create a Python file and execute. So I'll just create another Python file called hello. hello underscore world dot py and just say print hello world. Nothing great here, just keep it very simple and name equal to Nura, my daughter name, just print of name. So again run this, so you can just right click and say run hello world. So it says hello world and then say printed Anura. So this is how you can install the PyCharm IDE, which is a community edition, and then create a Python project and create a Python files and execute it. So if you want to know the version of PyCharm you installed, just say Control F and go to the help menu and click on this about. So the version it got installed is uh, PyCharm 2023.2.3, which is a community edition, right? So I'm closing this. So I hope this video is really helpful. So if you have any question, please uh, post your queries on this video's description. Sorry, video's comment section of this video. I'm happy to help you. Thank you so much, friend.